Hello everybody and welcome to NEET Mentor. The NEET PG application form is filled. The date is over already. Now it's time for edit window. Any candidate who have done any kind of mistake, they can go ahead and do the editing in their application form. The edit window will open today as of on 19th, and it will be remain available for editing up to 21st. So in this video we'll know how to edit the window and what are other options. We will know about test city, the candidates who have filled the test city option as others. So when they will be assigned their test cities, and when is the next window? Do we have one window? Do we have other options as well? So you will be having second window also. Before that, I urge you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. You can take our paid services, one-to-one personal counseling services, where our expert counselor will be guiding you for all the courses, whether it's DNB, MSMD diploma, NB diploma, CPSF, CPS. You can call us on 9319128677. You can have a look on this description of the video. There you can find some links to join Telegram group, links for ebooks. You can purchase those ebooks. So let's get started. The edit window is starting from today 19th, and you can go ahead and continue with the edit of the application up to 21st of the March. So what are the fields you can't edit? So there are 4 fields. Apart from these 4 fields, anything you had filled in your application, you are okay to go ahead and edit. If you have done any kind of mistake or you want to change, name of the candidate is not editable. Nationality, whether you are from India or some other country, nationality is not editable. Email ID is not editable. And test city, if you have selected test city, you can't edit. So these 4 fields are frozen. You can't edit. When you go for edit window, so how you need to proceed? You have to visit the NB site where you have filled the application form. Since you have filled the application form on your own, so you must be having idea where what are the fields are there and which are the tabs were there, how many steps you had to go through to fill the application form. So you have to log in to the application, and after you log in the application, you will get all the options, because the website they design is very much user friendly. You don't need to ask much questions, but if you have some questions still with you, you can ask us. You can comment on the video comment section of the video, or you can call us as well. So actually all the fields apart from those 4 fields are editable, like category, date of birth, gender, qualification details, MBBS 10 12th, MCI registration details, physical disability status, internship completion date, if you want to change, passing year for MBBS, correspondent address if you want to change, permanent address. Okay, so except name, email, test city and nationality, all fields are editable. Okay, so will in case you want to change again after 21st of March, so there will be final edit window. They will open for incorrect images only, and that window will open on 2nd of April to 4th of April. But make sure, apart from photograph, signature or thumb impression, they allow you to change photograph, signature and thumb impression. Apart from these 3 details, you make sure that you correct in the current window, that is from 19th to 21st. Don't wait for next window. That will be risky, because why to wait when you have the window open now? In case you do any kind of mistake and want to change this photograph, signature and thumb impression, they will give you a final window from 2nd of April to 4th of April, as they have mentioned in their information bulletin. And the candidates, those who have selected others in their test city option, reason being their desired test city were not available. So the NB is going to add more test cities. Okay, and by 25th of March, by 25th of this month, they are going to assign you test city, and it will be the nearest possible test city from your corresponding address that you have given, and NB will be communicating you the test city So expect by 25th or 26th, you should be able to have that test city if you have selected others in the test city option. So that's it from my side in this video. If you have any kind of questions, you can call us when you go for editing the application form. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. All the best for your examination. Goodbye. Take care.